What's up, YouTube? Just gonna do a little bit of easy diagnosing. I got my blue Expedition back from my brother. He let it sit for 4 years, and so I got it back from him, and now I'm putting the money back into it to get it back on the road. But I've been noticing it's got a miss, like a misfire. So I took it to AutoZone, or no, O'Reilly's. I had to run the codes, and the only thing that come up was the upstream O2 sensor is bad. But the thing about these 4.6s and 5.4s, the only way it shows a misfire means if the coil is bad. Well, these is a 99. I do believe 99 was the last year they ran the spark plug wires instead of their individual packs. But instead of having to unplug them and while it's running and risk getting shocked, this is what you can do also. You can unplug your injectors. If you unplug your injectors and the spark plug is firing, that means that the motor will change the sound. And until you pick one off that the engine doesn't change, that means your spark plug ain't firing. See, watch. You hear it? Plug it back up, it goes back to normal. Unplug it. Yep. You hear it? It goes back to normal when you plug it back up. But listen to this one. No change. So that means this spark plug is no longer firing. And I've checked that one back here in the back. It works. It's firing. And I've already checked the other side, and they're all firing except for that one right there. This one in the very back, I had to have Ford put one of those inserts in them, the good inserts. It blew the spark plug out. Well, it didn't blow it out when I first bought it 5 years ago. I changed the spark plugs in it, and the O'Reilly's insert came out. So I'm like, well, fuck. So I had to drive this to Ford, and they changed it for $180. And so that one back there has the insert. But that's how you can diagnose a spark plug misfire, not a misfire on the coil pack. Just unplug your injector, and if it changes, that means that it's working. So that way you ain't got to unplug your wires and risk of getting shocked. Alright guys, well, that was a quick little video. Later.